Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you for joining me for this video. Today I want to give you a very quick review, not sponsored review of Ana Luisa jewelry. So I bought myself a couple of pieces and I just want to tell you what I think about the jewelry. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Natalia and I am self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury designer, handbags, but also non-designer fashion and other bits that we women enjoy, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic Club down below so we stay in this addiction together. Today I want to talk to you and give you my honest, not sponsored review of Ana Luisa jewelry. So if you watch some luxury channels, I don't know if they are actually advertising on some other channels, probably as well. A lot of YouTubers will share Ana Luisa and their jewelry and they say it's great, it's beautiful, it's amazing and all those things. And when I see everybody advertising something, sometimes I get a little bit into like, how is it? Honestly, I trust a little bit more of those luxury influencers than some maybe other influencers. Well, I don't know why in my brain. I think because they talk about luxury, they kind of only pick things which are good. Like they don't advertise you something which is really cheap or cheaply made and really ugly. So somehow I trust more of those luxury influencers when they suggest jewelry, for example, than somebody else who is doing like Shein and Zara hauls only. So I kind of have that like, that's probably okay quality if they are talking about it. Nevertheless, we don't know actually until we buy about the quality. So since I haven't seen any review of Ana Luisa or anybody talking about it beside of those people that are actually working with Ana Luisa, I decided I would just come and do this not sponsored review of Ana Luisa jewelry, because obviously I am not sponsored. My channel at the time of recording of this video is 700 subscribers. So you can be sure that Ana Luisa had no idea who I am. So let's start with the backstory, why I was very reluctant on buying Ana Luisa and why I was questioning it more. Like I haven't been questioning as much, for example, Lily Silk, as much I would be questioning Ana Luisa. And I did like some of the styles, I did like some of the pieces that those YouTubers that I watch were showing, but I didn't want to buy it. I did not want to spend the money. First reason, I guess it might be because one of the YouTubers that I trust the most of her recommendation is Sophie Sohet, and she has never worked with Ana Luisa. So that's a kind of like a smaller reason. The second reason, which is actually the major reason why I was so reluctant to buy Ana Luisa jewelry, is because it's not fine jewelry. And I thought that the price for this jewelry was a little bit too high for not being fine jewelry. And of course they are advertising and they are talking about that they are, most of those pieces, I don't know if it's most, but quite a lot of those pieces are actually sterling silver plated with 14 karat gold. So it is kind of semi-fine jewelry, but still I was not really convinced. I have bought a lot of gold jewelry, like 9 karat jewelry, while I stayed in Australia, because I lived in Australia for like almost a year. So I bought there a lot of 9 karat, and even though it's low karat, but still it's gold. It doesn't go black, it doesn't, tarnish. You can clean it and, you can melt it and do something else with it. So I was more into that. I want that, like even low karat, but still gold. And it's not because the gold plating on silver is wrong, in my opinion. It is because I have bad experience from living in Iceland. Because if there is silver under, the gold, and even there is gold plating, the jewelry will tarnish. And in Iceland, water has a lot of sulfur. So one shower in silver jewelry and your jewelry is done, it's black. So I really avoided that gold plating because I had some pieces. My mom got me some pieces, some bracelets or something a few years ago, and it turned like into black or brown. And I didn't know what to do with it because like what? It's a chain, like it's a bracelet, and I think it was a necklace. So I didn't know what to do with them, and eventually I actually dipped them into the silver dip and it helped. So I cleaned them this way. So just as a little tip, if you have this kind of issue, I actually put my old, silver gold plated jewelry into that silver dip and it helps. Maybe you need to keep it a little bit longer, but it helps. Not sure if it doesn't remove some gold out of the surface, but I don't care. I wouldn't wear it anyway if it's brown or black. So that's a quick tip. And also this is how I clean my gold 9-carat gold jewelry. I dip it into the silver dip, and I have to keep it longer and longer, because I got some gold dip. I don't know, maybe it's not good quality, but that for gold didn't work. So I use that, I will show you a picture. I use that silver dip for 9-carat gold, and also for silver plated with gold jewelry. So these were main reasons why I was like, okay, it's a little bit too expensive for this kind of, semi-fine jewelry, and I have a lot of, really gold jewelry, and I was like, no, it's not worth it. Like, I don't think it's worth it. But one day I was watching a video, and I believe it was Amber, and she had exactly this necklace. It was exactly this heart necklace, and I got totally obsessed. Got me hooked on that necklace. I was obsessed, and I was like, I must have that one. That's such a nice design, such a unique piece. I have not seen something like this anywhere else. And I was like, okay, so now I really have to buy Ana Luisa jewelry, and there is no other way. And the necklace was not actually available. I was on the list, and I was trying to get it for actually a few weeks, or for even maybe over a month. I was waiting for this to come back in stock. So I really wanted this necklace, and while I was buying the necklace, then I decided to also buy a pair of earrings, and I went for those earrings which have that like a crystal drop here, which also had so many YouTubers were showing, and I always liked them. I was tempted, but then I was like, nah, no, I shouldn't, that's not, that's not worth it. But while I was already shopping for the necklace, I decided to add one pair of earrings and just have, experience, like, see how they are. And let me tell you, when I got those pieces, I got a little shocked in a positive way, because the quality of that jewelry is really, really beautiful. And by quality, I mean the way it is made. And referring to those gold pieces that I have bought, many of them in Australia, it's gold, but they are not made the same. They are made like, very rough way. Like it's actually, if you look closer, it's kind of ugly. The attention to details is not there. But Ana Luisa jewelry, the attention to detail, it's amazing. I was really surprised. They are made like this high-end jewelry with all the details, all the crystals. I don't see there cutting corners. I see that this is really beautifully made piece. It really looks luxurious. So I have to honestly admit, I was surprised by the quality of the jewelry, by the quality of making it. The bottom line of the review is, yes, it's a nice jewelry, and if you are okay with buying semi-fine jewelry, something which is gold plated on silver or gold plated on brass, yes, go for it. And I have to tell you that I actually been loving those earrings as well. Like I love this necklace, and I love the earrings. Both pieces that I got, I'm totally obsessed, and I love them. Giving a quick review of both of them, the necklace, the biggest minus of the necklace is that most of the time it will be like this. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, if I don't know how to put it correctly. It has that toggle, which I also like, because I was also very, happy about this, like, different design. So I don't know if I was trying to put the toggle from one side and from the other side, maybe to give you a closer look on it. So that's the heart with the toggle. It is shiny gold. I mean, it is beautiful. It looks like really luxury high-end piece. And the only minus I have, or the only complaint about this necklace I have, that it's most of the time whenever I wear it, it just goes on the other side, not the side that it's obviously supposed to be. So I don't know, it's probably the design, or I am just stupid and I don't know how to, put that toggle through it so it stays. But I tried from one side, from the other side. I really, tried many ways. And it just doesn't want to collaborate, basically. I cannot say that it will wear off, that gold is wearing off. I do use it, like you see it here, like I was wearing it today, and you might have seen it actually already in a few previous videos. But I live in Iceland, so if I wear it like on my skin here, it's not usually very sweaty, humid, hot, and this kind of stuff, which makes the jewelry to wear off very quickly. When I travel and I took it, I was very kind of careful not to wear it for too long or not to put it when it was super hot, and I knew that I will, like, my skin will sweat and then it will rub off. So I didn't want to ruin it. I have this for like maybe 6 months, and as I said, I've been using it, but I was very careful not to use it in extreme condition, to not, ruin that gold plating. So for now, it hasn't gone off. It's just in perfect condition, the same exactly as when I bought it. And the earrings, I was wearing the earrings quite a bit as well, and I was wearing them and loving them so much that I actually lost one. And I am very, very sad about it. Like, I was really, really sad when I discovered that I lost that earring. I was like still believing that it just fell into, like, here, and I will find it somewhere. Because sometimes it happens for me. But no, I lost it. I lost it actually in Italy when I was in an outlet. And I actually think that it is my fault, because I have that habit of checking if I have my earrings. And I like check, and I also check if they are closed. So I like open them and then press to make sure that they are closed. So I am that obsessed of not losing my stuff. And I think by accident I didn't close it properly. And I think that's how I lost it. Now I am really bummed about it, and I actually I'm considering ordering another pair and a couple of maybe more items from Ana Luisa. So I would really like to have the second one, and as you see today, I'm wearing this one only, and on the other ear I just put some other jewelry, like, well, I still can wear it, still can make it, right? I also have another, oh, maybe I should mention that I have ordered, before I ordered from Ana Luisa, because I did like this kind of, drop earring. I ordered from like eBay, obviously something cheap Chinese, and I will show you, like, here on the screen, the comparison of the Ana Luisa earring and that kind of, eBay version of the same, in the same style. And of course it was not actually the eBay cheap version. I think it also said it was gold plated, but you can see the crystal in Ana Luisa jewelry. It's a thick, it's a proper crystal, and the clasp, and it's like all is nice. And the other earring, I actually never wore that earring, because it just looks very cheap. That crystal looks like, like something that you buy for kids, not like you actually wear yourself. So I'm not sure how relevant that is. Maybe it is relevant, like comparing semi-fine jewelry with an eBay version, an eBay dupe of the jewelry, and you see how it came. So it is really, not the same. It is really a cheap version, which I personally don't want to wear. One more thing I want to mention, which is also a detail, but everybody's talking about those, pouches that Ana Luisa sent you their jewelry, and they are so nice. And well, they are actually nice. This one is from the necklace, and this is from the earrings, and the material is how to say it, it's a thick, resistant material. It's not material that by default would be very luxurious. However, the way they are made, they are, well, like, they have those, buttons here, and they are, I think, they are magnetic. And this thing is very resistant. Like, I'm trying to say that it's not like some velour that you have on some pouches, or some silkish satin thing. When you use it, when you try to use it for travel or something, then it just gets ruined, and it's not very usable. These ones, they are very usable. That's why I actually like them, and I have actually used them for traveling. And the amount of detail on the pouch, like, it has that main pocket here, and even it has a little like a slip pocket here in front. So kind of wow, because yeah, I have been buying different type of jewelry in different places, and I haven't seen that somebody would pay that much attention to a travel pouch, unless probably it is Cartier, but I haven't bought anything from Cartier. And let's be honest, the price difference between Cartier and Ana Luisa, it's quite a bit. Like, you are saving a little bit if you buy from Ana Luisa. I'm not talking obviously about the particular designs, because they are different, that's obvious, right? So guys, that's it. That's all what I want to say about Ana's jewelry. I have been positively surprised, even I would say positively shocked. So if you are considering Ana Luisa and you have been on the fence, if it's worth it, if it's good, if it's all those things, I would say yes, go for it. It is really beautiful. So that's all for the video. I just wanted to share my experience and my thoughts and opinions on Ana Luisa, as a person which bought the pieces herself and paid for everything, and have no interest in saying anything positive or negative against Ana Luisa. Please let me know if you enjoyed it. You can do so by giving a like to that video, so YouTube will be happy and I will know that it was a good idea and useful video for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon. In the meantime, take care and don't forget to enjoy your life. Bye guys!